いらっしゃいませ。
Jasmine again, and welcome to the best day of my life. Today I am here in my hotel in between Tsukiji and Ginza. I'm supposed to be in Hokkaido right now, but we all know how that worked out. I'm currently staying in the Henna Hotel, and Henna or hen in Japanese means strange or weird, and this hotel is definitely that. So I wanted to share with you guys my hotel room and why this hotel is just a little bit odd. But before we get into it, please do not forget to hit that like button. It really helps to grow this channel and it helps the YouTube algorithm. Not only that, please hit that subscribe button with the bell notification to know every time I upload a new video. If you would like to know more things Enlightize, check out the description box below. There you'll find a link to my free email newsletter, and when you sign up to my email newsletter, you will receive a PDF with how I was able to come to Japan and live in Japan for free. Yes, you heard that right, for free. A lot of the resources in that PDF is applicable to other countries as well, so if you're looking to travel and you don't have enough money for like living expenses, you should definitely check out the PDF. So without further ado, let me show you my hotel room and the Henna Hotel. The moment you come in, you put your key into this thingy. This thing gives you electricity to the rest of the room. Hey you, let's get some food. This is the entrance to the room. It's a very small, like, little hallway setup. There are my shoes, nothing too special here. But as soon as you walk in through the door, to the right is the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. I just had room service come in not too long ago. So it's a really nice bathroom. I had a bath in here the other day. The bathtub is like very deep, spacious, nice, I love it. This is what I wanted in Hokkaido. Look at this, yummy goodness. Look at it. This bathroom also has a washlet. You guys can see the function. So this one is a little bit different from the one in the Airbnb. So this one is a shower. This is for your butt. This one is for ladies. This one is for the strength of the spray. So like how hard do you want your spray or how soft do you want it? This one cleans the nozzle, I believe. And this one changes the temperature of the toilet. I think it's like really self-explanatory, like it's in English too, right? After that video I made in the Airbnb where I couldn't stretch out my arms, I feel the need to do the same thing here. So the bathroom is really spacious, like I can stretch out one side, my elbow hits here, but it's like, why would I need to stretch out that way? I guess it could have more space. Like, it's not that bad, guys. Like the Airbnb bathroom was way smaller. This is what it looks like when I'm in the toilet, on the toilet. I really just felt like an urge to have like the same shot as in the Airbnb. I don't know what you guys get out of this. I'm starting to get kind of like Psy vibes doing this as well. Let's see the rest of the room, okay? Leaving the bathroom, here's my stuff, but here's the main part of the bedroom. Okay, so before I came in here, there was already a lot of crap on this, okay? So yes, this is my stuff here too, but there's also a whole lot of papers and directions and stuff like that too. This is like a steamer ironing board closet thingy. This thing is so cool. Like I haven't used it, but I think I'm gonna try to use it. So you turn it on. Woo! So this basically like irons your clothes and steams it. Yo, how do I open it? Ta-da! See? Actually, my shirt that I'm wearing right now is kind of wrinkly. So I think I'm gonna test this out later on. bed. It's a queen size bed. It's very nice. They also give you like a robe that I like, but this is pretty standard in many hotels. They'll give you like a robe. Right across from the bed, look at this chair. Like, when I arrived, like when I was having like the worst day, I hit my toe on this chair because I brought out this chair. But look at this chair. It's interesting, right? I haven't used it because I'm like mad at it because I hit my toe on it. This is so good. Strawberry shaved ice with condensed milk. Okay, so in these cabinets is the refrigerator and a lock. What's in my fridge? I just have like some oolong tea. Oolong tea right there. I saved it from breakfast. And then on the other side, it's just like a water heater and like 1 cup. I think that's coffee too. No, it's green tea. So let's go on to like electronics. So right by the bed, I still don't really know what this thing does. It says remote con, like for, I guess for the remote control, but I don't know like what remote control. Not sure. And then here are like some chargers and like buttons to turn on the lights. Nice view from the window. So I just finished eating sushi. It was like a chirashi bowl with uni, ikura, so good. And I wanted to show you guys me eating it, but like it was so tight. I'm used to vlogging in public. I'm doing it right now. People are looking at me right now. But like it was just like an uncomfortable atmosphere for me to just do it in that restaurant.
After seeing my hotel room, you may be thinking, so what's so strange about this hotel? Well, Hana Hotel is staffed by robots. The Hana Hotel that I went to was staffed by these robots right here, but their various locations have different types of robots you can interact with.
Welcome to Hana Hotel. Please use the kiosk machine to complete your check-in.
They're mainly used just for checking in or checking out. They even had this little robot at the entrance. It was sleeping when I tried to interact with it though. Okay, that was a bad opening idea. I am so dizzy. Let's do something else. Guys, I think I'm stuck. I can't open the doors. I was just chilling out here on the patio and I think I just got locked out. Tsukiji market closes at 3 o'clock, so a lot of the restaurants and stores are all closed now. I hope I'm not stuck on this patio by myself. It's a nice view, very nice view, but I'm trying to go home. Hey, look at this view, guys. You have got to see this. Look, look, look. Wait, there's more. You see more? Look at these buildings. Okay, so let's hope that these doors open. Oh, it looks like it's cracked. Open, please. And let's go down here. I hope this is okay. It's not opening. Guys, I don't know how to exit. I don't want to like break the door. Maybe I should just like ask someone for help. Okay, I made it outside. I'm not gonna lie, I started getting kind of nervous. Like I had to leave from this door. I was nervous because like this door was locked and I had my video camera out, and a lot of vloggers already have like a bad name already, and I'm not trying to get caught with this camera like in a building that's supposed to be locked. So I started getting kind of nervous, but luckily like there was a guy, and then he like showed me like where that side exit is, emergency exit. So I am free.
So that is the Henna Hotel. So far, I really like it here. The staff has been so kind to me, and they just like, I don't know what it is. Every time I'm walking in, they say hi to me, they have conversations with me, they try to get me to interact with the robots. They're so sweet. I love it. And it's not just like one person, it's like all of the staff here has been so kind. I'm very grateful for that. I'm having a wonderful time in this hotel. They're not paying me, I don't know if this is advertisement for them, maybe it is, but yeah, I like it here. It's nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Not only that, if you would like to know how I make every day the best day of my life, check out the link in the description box. There you'll find an Amazon link to my 30-day reflection, gratitude, and kick-assery journal. So every day for 30 days, I give you a different prompt to write about to get a bird's eye view of where you are in life and where you would like to go. It's also complete with pictures of Japan and my favorite quotes, so please check that out. I will see you guys again next time. Thank you for staying beautiful and kind, and I love you. Bye.